We are in Calcutta at the Ultadanga Junction road site of the first ever Gaudiya Matha, where the most important meeting of the 20th century took place. At the time it wasn't understood to be, but this is where in 1922 our Srila Prabhupada, Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, first had darshan of Om Vishnupad Paramahamsa Parivrajaga Acharya Ashtotarzada Sri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj Prabhupada. And this is the place where we've heard it several times on recordings of Srila Prabhupada speaking, how Srila Prabhupada's friend Narendranath Malik dragged him here to see this sadhu, and as our own Srila Prabhupada said, that changed his life. Although externally there wasn't any overt change, he was working in a business and he continued to do so. But internally there was a complete change. He stopped at that point being committed to the independent struggle, identifying himself as a follower of Mahatma Gandhi, and instead identified himself as a follower of this true Mahatma in the Bhagavad Gita sense of the term. Mahatma nastu mang partha daiving prakriti ashritaha bhajantya nanya manaso gyatva bhutadi mavyayam. Here, Bhaktistan Saraswati Thakur planted the seed in the heart of Abhay Charan Dey, as he was known at the time. Planted the seed which would fructify as ISKCON's preaching all over the world. Devotees of ISKCON in Calcutta have done a tremendous service of acquiring this property and renovating it to be, as far as possible, just like it was in the 1920s. They did a lot of research. I came here the last time I came here was when this property had just been acquired by ISKCON, and it was a mess. It was broken down, there was rubble everywhere. They've done a tremendous job of restoring it, and I recommend all devotees visiting Calcutta, so many visit on the way to and coming from Mayapur. Stop in, offer your obeisance here. It is filled with transcendental vibrations of the tremendously powerful devotional currents that Srila Bhaktistan Saraswati Thakur brought to this world, or continued in the parampara to bring to this world. You can feel this spiritual vibration here. It's so uplifting in the heart of Calcutta, of all places, a materialistic city, but absolutely spiritualized by the presence of this great personality. And so many great personalities came and surrounded him here. Our own Srila Prabhupada is now the most famous, but there's so many great devotees who came and served at his lotus feet and spread the teachings of the Gaudiya Matha all over India and beyond.